I'd give several points of advice to a student interested in studying tax law. Number one, I'd say come to NYU. We offer the greatest range in classes of any law school when it comes to tax, from policy to the technical areas you'll need, whether it's in corporate tax law, partnership tax, or international. There's really no place like it. Second, I'd say take those classes and take a range of classes. Take them in policy, where we offer great classes ranging from classes on the federal budget, if that interests you, to classes on the fundamental questions that ride through tax policy and tax reform, and also, of course, the technical classes that you'll need to become an expert tax lawyer. The final thing I'd say is take classes other than tax, because it turns out the rest of the world affects tax too, and we have some great classes here in many other areas, whether it's corporate, whether it's legal theory. All of these things are areas that can actually come to bear in tax, and I found as a student at NYU and now a professor, are so relevant to my own work.